Hey guys, we're out here doing a little do-it-yourself staining. Just thought I'd show before and after pictures right here. Sprayer's about to give way here, but anyway, we made this ourselves for stain. We put 3 gallons of diesel, 2 quarts of transmission fluid, and 2 bottles of brown shoe polish. Mixed it all up. Got a sacrificial sprayer right here, because they don't last too long when you put this stuff in it. But I think it's just cost like 8 something at Tractor Supply, and so we just drowned it, pump it up, drown it, pump it up. Turns out real good. Makes a good insecticide. Lasts a long time. Really seals the wood good. Good and hot out here, so it's a good day to do this. But anyway, 3 gallons and probably about $16 to make 3 gallons for stain. And it, like I said, it lasts a long time. You can use about whatever you want. You can use motor oil, brown shoe polish, brown stain, brown paint in it, mix it all up, and the diesel, anything like that to give you a tint of color. But it soaks in real good and protects it for a long time. So, like I said, do-it-yourself stain, wood stain out of just some common products. It lasts a long time. Anyway, I'm going to finish spraying the rest of this. May go do a CVS haul after a while. I've not even got my Sunday paper yet, and it's already after 12 o'clock, so all the Sunday papers may be gone. I don't know. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. We're going to get started back on this pool house. We got the roof and everything on, so got to get the concrete in and everything like that. But like, subscribe, comment. We're going to get started on it. We're going to get it going. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Have a great week. Be safe, and we'll see you later. But if I get out and do a CVS haul, I'll put that on this evening. See you guys.